Yes, now students, so now we are going to do workbook problems. So in our chapter multiplication, so some similar questions are given. So that similar questions from workbook we are going to do some similar questions. So first bit, in the first bit multiply 3-digit numbers by a single digit number. With a single digit number we have to multiply 3-digit numbers. Already we did these questions in these similar questions we did in textbook. Again some similar questions are there. See here, first question 813. So it is a 3-digit number. So this is multiplied with a single digit number, that is 2. So here this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. Now you multiply 2 with 3. How many ones are there? 3 ones. 3 ones into 2. 3 ones with 2. 3 2s are 6 ones. 6 is a single digit number, so that we have to take as it is 6 in ones place. Then 1. 1 with 2. 1 tens with 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 tens. So 2 is a single digit number, so we have to take as it is 2 tens. Then after that 2 with 8, 8 hundreds, 8 hundreds with 2, 8 2s are 1600, 16 hundreds, so it is our last place. Third digit we have to take 16 completely. So this is our product. Now, so in the second question 237 with 7. So this is our ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. Now we have to multiply 7 with this 7 ones place. How many ones are there? 7 ones. 7 ones with 7. 7 7s are 49 ones. 49 ones. Then how to take this 49 ones? 49 ones means 40 tens. 40 ones and 9 ones. 40 plus 9, 49. Then 40 ones means 4 tens. 4 tens plus 9 ones. How many ones are there here? 9 ones. In ones place we have to take 9. In tens place 4 we have to take carry over here in tens place. Now 3 with 7. 3 tens. 3 tens into 7. 3 sevens are 21 tens. 21 tens. Then 21 tens means 20 tens plus 1 ten. 20 tens plus 1 ten. So 20 tens means 200. 200 plus 1 ten. How many tens are there? 1. In tens plus 1. Then how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds. That 2 in 100. Carry over here in hundreds place. Now, so one more thing. Here 7 3s are 21 is there. 21 here carry over here, no? So that 4 also we have to add. Here we missed that 4. So first we add that 4 also. 4 tens. 21 plus 4, 25. 20 plus 5, 25. Here 5 tens. Here 5 tens. We have to take 5 tens here. Then after that 7 2s are 200. 200s into 7. 200 with 7. 7 2s are 1400. 1400 and 2 is here. So that 2 we have to add. Plus 200s. 14 plus 2, 1600. That 16 complete we have to take here. So in this way we have to do our multiplication if 3-digit number and single digit number is given. In this format we have to do. And one more question, 415 multiply with 5. So this is in ones place, this is in tens place, and it is in hundreds place. First we have to take ones place, 8 with ones place, 5 ones with 8. 8 5 are 40 ones. 40 ones means 4 tens. 4 tens plus 0 ones. 4 tens and 0 ones. In ones place 0, in tens place we take 4 over here. Then after that, 8 with 1, 110 with 8, 110 with 8, 8 ones are 8 10, 8 and 4 over here, that 4 we have to add. 8 plus 4, 12 10. 12 10, 12 10 means 10 10 plus 2 10. 10 10 is 100. 100 plus 2 10. So here in tens plus 2 and in hundreds plus 1 over here. Now 800 with 400 here. How many hundreds are there here? 4 hundreds. You take here 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds with 8. 8 fours are 3200. 3200 plus here 1 is there or 32 plus 1. 32 plus 1 3300. So this is 100 place is our last place. So 33 complete we have to write here. So 3300 means 3320 is our product. So in this more 3 questions were there for your practice purpose. That 3 questions you do as your home assignment. Okay? Yes, now students, multiply 10, 100 and 1000. Now multiply with tens in first bit, hundreds in second bit, and the combination of hundreds, tens in third bit. Now see here, 717 is multiplied by 10. It means 717 tens. 717 tens. How to write 717 tens means we have to take 1 0. 333 into 10 means 333 tens. 333 tens. Tens means 1 0. 274 into 10. It means 274 tens. Tens means 1 0. 193 into 10. It means 193 tens. 193 tens. Tens means 1 0. Now 8 into 100. 8 into 100 means 800. 100 means 2 zeros. 12 into 100 means 1200. 100 means 2 zeros. 3 into 100 means 300. 100 means 2 zeros. 23 into 100 means 2300. 100 means 2 zeros in ones and tens place. Next, 3 into 1000, that is 3000. 1000 means 3 zeros in ones, tens, 100. 16, here 2 zeros there, means 100. 16 into 200. First you have to do 16 twos are. 16 twos are 32. And 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros we have to take. 32 hundreds. This is 100, 2 is 100. So here 100 means we have to take 2 zeros. Then first here we have to multiply 4 with 2. 4 twos are 8. This is 1000 to 1000. So that is 1000 means 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Here 52 threes are 52 threes are and 156. 156. This is 100. So you have to take 100. 2 zeros. 2 zeros we have to take. So if you want to do this detail, you have to take like this: 52 into 300. That is 52 into 300 means 3 into 100, 300. 52 3s are, first you multiply, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 156 into 100. 156 100, 156 100 means 2 zeros. So in detail we have to do like this. We have to do like this. Okay. Now here see 54. So now in this multiply 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. 2-digit number we have to multiply with 2-digit number. So how to multiply here? In the rough column first. See 54 with 62. 54 with 62. Then 54 with 62 means 60 plus 2. 60 plus 2, 62. Then 60 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. 60 ones and 2 ones, that is 62 ones. 62 ones. Now 54. Now we have to apply distributive law, distributive property. 56 into 54 into 60, then plus 54 with 2. 54 with 2. Then 54 with 60, how to take? 54 into 60 means 6 into 10. 6 into 10, 60. Plus 54 2s are 54 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. It is 108. 108. Then 54 6s are 54 6s are 6 4s are 24. 24 means 2 here and 4 here and 2 here. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 324 plus 10 plus 108. 324 into 10. 324 into 10 means 324 into 10 means 324 tens. 324 tens means 10 plus 108. So this we will get. Now how to do this? 54 with 2 first. 54 2s are. What is 54 2s are? 108. That we have to write. So here it represents 54 2s are. 54 2s are. Now 54 60s are. This is 60. 54 it is in tens place, so that is the 54 60s are. 54 60s are how much? 3240. 3240. So what it represents? It represents 54 60s are. Now add these two. 40. Then add 8 plus 0, 8. 0 plus 4, 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 3. So what this represents? This represents 54 into 62. So in this way we have to do our multiplication when 2-digit numbers given with a 2-digit number. Okay. So more questions, more 3 questions we are going to do this same 2-digit number multiplied by 2-digit numbers. Then here 64 with 19. 64 with 19. See here 64 into 19. 64 with 19. Then 64 same. 19 means 10 ones plus 9 ones. 10 plus 9 19. 10 plus 9 19. Now so according to our distributive property, 64 with 10. 64 is multiplied by 10 and plus 64 is multiplied by 9. Then 64 is multiplied by 9. First, this 9 with unit place, ones place. 9 4s are 36. 36 means 6 is in unit place and 3 is in tens place. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 3, 57. Here 576. Then 64 tens are 64 tens. That is 64 tens means 10. Now 64 nines. 64 nines how much? 64 nines are 576. Next 64 tens are 64 tens 640. Now you add 6 plus 0 6, 7 plus 4 11. This is 6 plus 5 11 plus 1 12. 1216. 1216. This is our answer. Now here 19 with 27. 19 multiplied by 27. Then 19. 27 means 20 plus 7. 20 months plus 7 months. 27. According to our distributive property, 19 into 20 plus after that plus 19 with 7. 19 into 7. Then first 19 into 7. You have to write 19 into 7. 7 nines are 63. 63 means 3 ones, 6 tens here. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 132. Then 19. 20 means 10, 2 tens are 20. 19 twos are 38. 38 into 10 plus 133. 38 tens are 38 is a 38 tens 380, that is 133. Now first 19 sevens are, we have to take 19 sevens are 133. 19 20s are 380. Now add 3, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 1, 5. 513. 513. Okay. So here, what is this? This represents here 64 nines are 64 nines are. Here what it represents? 64 tens are 64 tens are. And what it represents? 64 19s are 64 19s are. In the same way 133. What 133 represents? 133 means 19 sevens are 19, and 380 represents 380. 19 20s are 19 20s are, and 515 19 27s are 19 27s are 19 27s are. You have to write everything. Now in the same way the third one, first 47 into 74. Then how to write 74? 47 in 74 means 70 plus 4. 70 ones and 4 ones, that is 74. Now according to our distributive law, 47 into 70 plus, again here plus is there, 47 into 4, 47 with 4. Then first 47 with 4, 4 sevens are 28, 8 here and 2 here, 4 fours are 16, 17, 18, 188, 188. 47 into 70 means 7 into 10. 7 into 10. Again we have to do 47 into 7. 47 into 7. 7 7s are 49. Here 4. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4, 29, 30, 31, 32. 329 into 10 plus 188. 329 tens. 329 tens. Tens means 1 0. 188. Now, first we have to take 47 fours. 47 fours, how much? 47 fours, 188. 1. This represents 47 into 4. Then 47 70. 47 70 is how much? 3290. 3290. What it represents? 47 70s. Now add. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 4, 3. 3 to 7, 6. What it represents? It represents 47 into 74. So in this way we have to do multiplication. So some questions are there, that is here home assignment. Okay.